Alright, so I had been having issues with connecting my phone. I have a Galaxy S9 Plus, and I had been having issues connecting my 2017 KTM Duke 390 to it. So what I'm going to end up doing is showing you guys how to connect it. I've had issues with the S9 Plus, and I also had issues with my Galaxy S7. And originally I had this screen, and how you can see right now it's all dark, like if it's not getting enough sunlight, so it dims down. And before I was having the issues where whenever the RPMs would start climbing up, the color would go from one solid color to about a rainbow effect color, a bunch of multiple different colors sliced up. I don't know if I have a picture of it. If I do find one, I'll put it up. If not, well, yeah, you could just imagine it. I mean, it still worked just fine. It would just, the colors would glitch out. So anyways, I took it to KTM since it was still under warranty. They replaced I think it's called the TFT screen or whatever. They ended up replacing it. And ever since then, my phone doesn't connect. But now, as you can see right there, it's connected. I finally figured out how to do it by looking into the forums and all that. But it's actually a super easy fix. So first thing you're going to want to do is go into KTM My Ride, go to pairing. Whenever you go to pairing, I'm not sure if your phone will pop up or not. If it does, just make sure you delete it. And after you delete it, go on to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and download. I don't think you should have an issue if you have an Apple phone, because I've seen a few Apple phones just connect right to it. But at least for these phones I can speak for. So go to the Apple Store or the Play Store. Get the KTM My Ride app. Just follow what it says there with the app. Once it says it's good to go, then try reconnecting it. Once you connect and it says pair, normally it says pairing failed. So instead of whenever you're in the app and you try connecting it, just back out of it and it should successfully connect. And whenever it does, just go back and it should work. So that's it.